So basically my first keyboard, the Keychron K8, it's pretty much a budget build, and I kept things pretty simple, you know, being it my first keyboard and all, but I think it came out pretty good. Another update, I had to take a quick break, but those are the Gateron Red Switches that I'm taking apart. As you can see, these springs are the default springs that come with the Gateron Reds. I think they're 40 gram. I'm going to replace them with, these are 67 gram switches. I'm lubing them right now. But there goes two that I did. Grab this. It's a lot better, but I have quite a few to go. Still haven't taken these apart. I'll be lubing all of these. Lubing the springs, the housings, everything. I'm gonna use some Xtreme Fluoro, just because I have it around. Anyways, so all of the switches broken down into their individual components. And now it comes for some, now it's time for some lube. We're gonna lube them up. These springs right here, like I said, I'm gonna save them on the side. They're the 40 grams, the ones I'm gonna use right here, and they're already lubed up. These are the 67. So I'm taking the box that the Keychron K8 came in, and I'm cutting little slivers of the cardboard, as you can see, and I'm making them really tight in here. I'm also making sure that it's not so far close to the battery. I'm not really worried about it. You know, these batteries will go up in flames at any time, but I'm still keeping it, you know, kind of away. Here, there's like a little backing back here, so I'm not too worried. But yeah, I'm laying down the cardboard to give it thickness, and then I'm going to use the felt, or whatever this is, that came with the Keychron, to then lay on top of it, and then it'll be like, you know, sound dampening, cardboard and the foam. I'll let you see how it looks in a second. The cardboard layer has been laid down. So now we're going with the felt. Now the keyboard with the foam. Lubing the default Gateron Reds that come with the Keychron K8. The Gaterons are good. I used them for a bit. You know what I'm saying? They're a bit light for me, but I am a very heavy typer. And so I'm putting her together. The switches now are a little bit heavier. They're not even making any, you know, I like that sound right there. And so here's all I have left. These are almost ready to go. I'm putting heavy lube. Again, I am using FinishLine Xtreme Fluoro pure fluorinated grease. It's different than everyone uses Krytox 205G. I already fucking know, but that's what I'm using. I also have mixed it with another industrial grease used for weapons and machinery. High tolerance metals when they're rubbing. Those are the 67 gram springs. And yeah, I'm almost done. Well, it's done. All of the switches have been replaced. So again, Gateron default red switches, lubed, 67 gram springs in all of them. So I'm deciding whether or not to use the GMK Red Samurais or some generic PBD caps that I picked up off of KBDFans. These are pretty good. I've been using these. I don't really see any reason for why I should just slap those on, but I'm still trying to make the decision. I like the theme of the gray and red, and I kept the original Keychron K8 function keys until I learn what all of the weird functions are. Like each one of them has a special like function plus function. But yeah. And this is the finished keyboard. Overall, I like the sound of it. This probably needs a little bit more lubing. There's some inconsistency here, but everywhere else we're good. And of course, these top rows are just ABS. These are PBT. I know, again, I haven't learned these function keys yet. This one sounds kind of scratchy, but the rest sound pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.